Good morning parents, teachers and students. Today is a special day for the students because they will perform their ability and skill that they got from this month. In this video, you will witness the things that we accomplished for the past 6 months. There are lots of fun and various activities that they have been doing during their online class.
The children learn the obedience sound and as well the memory verse. Real life application is also encouraged both at home and school. And lastly, the children will do the pianica performance, one of their favorite activities in the music class.
Every day is a chance to learn.
And what we learn becomes a part of who we are. Without further ado, we proudly present the KG Virtual Circle Time.
Good morning, friends. Are you ready to play? Hands together, close your eyes. Thank you, God, for making me. Eyes and nose, hand and feet, ears to hear, to see, and a heart that beats for you. And a heart that beats for you. Thank you for the world so sweet, dum-dee-dum. Thank you for the food we eat, nyam nyam. Thank you God, thank you for the bird that sing a ling a ling. Thank you God for everything. Amen. Pancasila. 1. Ketuhanan yang Maha Esa. 2. Kemanusiaan yang adil dan beradab. 3. Kepersatuan Indonesia. 4. Kerakyatan yang dipimpin oleh hikmat kebijaksanaan dalam permusyawaratan perwakilan. 5. Keadilan sosial bagi seluruh rakyat Indonesia. Obedience is listening attentively. Obedience is taking instruction joyfully. Obedience is just of authority, and obedience is follow order instantly. When I am busy on my work or play, if someone calls my name, I answer right away. I'll be ready with the smile to come to ask mama as soon as I can say yes sir, yes ma'am. Up to three. Obedience is listening attentively. Obedience is taking instruction joyfully. Obedience is just of authority, and obedience is follow order instantly. When I am busy on my work or play, if someone calls my name, I answer right away. I'll be ready with the smile to come to ask mama as soon as I can say yes sir, yes ma'am. Up to three. Obedience is listening attentively. Obedience will take instruction joyfully. Obedience is listens of authority, and obedience will follow order instantly. 1, 2, 3. I obey with no excuses. I will do it right away. I will make the effort daily at any time of day. I will do the work until it's done and even further yet. I will never speak a grumbling word to show me I'm upset. Commitment are important steps to guard us from disaster. And just to show we know them well, let's say it even faster.
There's a giant mutant spider. Let's get him with our laser eyes going. Let's get those bad guys. Oh no, there's a pack of rabid monkeys. Let's get them with our super strength going.
More powerful than a locomotive.
Let's get those bad guys tonight. By day, heroes by night, we fight for good with all our might, and we will do anything to save the world tonight. Let's save the world and do it together. Let's save the world and do it tonight. Wow, we'll get the bad guys. Wow, superheroes unite. Oh no, there's a bunch of crazy werewolves. Let's all turn invisible.
Where did it go?
Oh no, there's a kitty in an oak tree. Let's all go and fly real high. People by day, heroes by night, we fight for good with all our might, and we will do Superheroes, superheroes, superheroes unite!
Up in the sky, it's a bird.
It's Cuckoo Kangaroo. People by day, heroes by night. We fight for good with all our might, and we will do anything to save the world tonight. Let's save the world and do it together. Let's save the world and do it tonight. We'll get the bad guys. Superheroes unite.
Let's be superheroes so we can save the day. Wherever there is trouble, we're on our way. Let's be superheroes so we can save the world. With our superpowers,
We're Superboys.
and supergirls, we're superheroes. Let's be superheroes so we can save the day. Wherever there is trouble, we're on our way. Let's be superheroes so we can save the world. With our superpowers,
We're Superboys.
supergirls, we're superheroes, yay! Fly!
Like Superman, soaring through the clouds. Or stomp
Stop!
like the Hulk with a roar that's super loud.
Can you lasso like Wonder Woman with her lasso of truth? Or blast off like Iron Man in his red and yellow suit? Let's be superheroes so we can save the day. Wherever there is trouble, we're on our way. Let's be superheroes so we can save the world. With our superpowers,
We're Superboys.
supergirls, we're superheroes, yay! Let's run, run!
Like the Flash at a million miles an hour.
Or climb, climb!
Like Spider-Man up a 100-story tower.
Can you sneak like Catwoman who doesn't make a peep?
Or fly like Batman above the city streets.
Let's be superheroes so we can save the day. Wherever there is trouble, we're on our way. Let's be superheroes so we can save the world. With our superpowers,
We're Superboys.
supergirls, we're superheroes, yay!
I find a super cape made from a bed sheet. Put a mask over my eyes, boots on my feet,
Some socks for gloves and my mom's big belt. I'm a superhero now. Hey! We're superheroes. Let's be superheroes so we can save the day. Wherever there is trouble, we're on our way. Let's be superheroes so we can save the world. With our superpowers,
We're Superboys.
supergirls, we're superheroes, yay! We're superheroes, yay! We're superheroes, yay! We're superheroes, yay!
really good friend. He made the kids laugh and play. But the teacher turned him out cause he wasn't supposed to be there. But he lingered outside of the school.
Thank you for watching our program. We hope that you enjoyed and learned something from us. We would like to thank our parents who helped us to make this program a successful one. See you again in our next